These two idiots, Ibo Mandasa and the Hopo Chingono. I think you old vagabonds are very stupid. Especially with Ibo Mandasa. Nekamusoro, kanege kamwakake kumaruzeva kaya, kaandateka kaya kanosanoenda kunhamo, varidzi vacho vasati vavasipo kaya. Kanenge kakamisa tunzeve kanongofambira nhamo dzemumaraini kaka. Ndozvakaita Ibo Mandasa chimusoro chako. You are very stupid. You cannot ask Chamisa to leave politics, opposition politics. Unoda kuti asiye opposition politics aitei. For mayako political party Ibo Mandasa. You are very stupid. Unonhuwa kumasure weIbo Mandasa. Murume mukuru anozora ambi. For mayako political party. Leave Chamisa alone. How old are you? Une makore manganiwe. You were in existence since 1980. Why are you kufuma political party yako? For mayako political party, you were Ibo Mandasa. An idiot. Chamisa is not going to leave. He's going nowhere. We want Chamisa. We like Chamisa. He's our leader. If you think you want to do special, if you don't want Chamisa, don't vote for him. Form your own political party. You're an idiot. Coward. You cannot face Zanupe Vongonyora Soro is Soro Ningokamka. Neri data windi Rotangricha Putika Mino. No overpopulation in Masino. Remuro Monica Shibero Jiberi, Hopo Jumono, Chano to Hopo Jumonish. Soro Nega Boagot. No ambudzi we asadambo kuona une mukadzi. For mayako political party. Unoita sokuti wewe ndio wakatuma Chamisa kuti aite leader opposition. For mayako political party. Tone kana ukategwa nenhunzi zvayo. Ngoda zvinhu zvisina musoro wese. Chamisa is going nowhere. He's our leader. Your former political party yako tonokategwa nenhunzi. Unongoti ukumbo utete inenge nhunzi yakamhara pamakwakwa ari pamoto. For mayako, Ibo Mandasa, an idiot. Hopo Chingono, you are very stupid. You are foolish. Chamisa ndo watiri kutoda. Imimi kana maona ati akuitiri. Inde munovhotera kwamakavhotera. Varume vakuru, machena kumashuro. Moda kuitirwa jese naChamisa muchite muchibaya sure neukwa. Chamisa is trying. Everybody hates Chamisa. Trikumuda zvakadero imusingamudimi mbwaimi. We will stand by Chamisa. Munozviziva ZANU-PF is using everything. Pane resources ese to work against Chamisa. Imimi chaza mivirimi. Iwo Hopo Chingono newe Chamisa. Now ina Hopo Chingono newe Ibo Mandasa.
Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garo ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmere Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yabuditswane one of ma Nelson Chamisa pro supporters yabuda achiblasta Hopo Chingono na Ibo Mandasa. Ashtara ya chiti Chamisa is going nowhere. Ndofunga Ibo Mandasa na Hopo Chingono vakabuda. Ashtara Ibo wachiti Nelson Chamisa should leave politics. Ndofunga Ibo Mandasa kabuda on his ex-handle. Mshileme kungia Nelson Chamisa kabuda ashtara ya chiti wait and see, our God is in it. Ibo Mandasa anakumira akabuda achiresponda to this tweet ashtara achiti go with your God is in it and leave opposition politics now to allow a new leadership. As I have stated before, you have served the state well by systematically demobilizing the masses, a damn disgrace for which you will pay dearly. Declare your departure or we will expose you. Hopo Chingono akabudo zvakara achiti this nonsense is now unsettling. You can't keep repeating the same thing for 7 years while vana vakazara mumajeri. It is either you are meant to lead or you are not a leadership material. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa nevaviri ava. So one of my supporters Nelson Chamisa abuda achitaura iye achiti Chamisa hapana kwaari kuenda, akatukirira Ibo Mandasa na Hopo Chingono achiti they should form their own political party. Vasiyane na Nelson Chamisa chinzi tione kuti vanoteerwa nani muri Zimbabwe tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tinoti mungonzwa achizvitaurira this pro Nelson Chamisa supporter. Muhamadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
These two idiots, Ibo Mandasa and the Hopo Chingono. I think you old vagabonds are very stupid. Especially with Ibo Mandasa. When it comes to Soro, Kanege Kamaka, Kumaruzeva, Kanda take a guy, Kanosan in the Kunamo, or it's Vachuasat Vasipoka, Kanega Misatunse, we can go from Bira Namo, Zumara in Gaga. Those are Gada Ibo Mandasa, Soro Jago. You are very stupid. You cannot ask Chamisa to leave politics, opposition politics. You don't say opposition politics. For my political party, Ibo Mandasa. You are very stupid. You don't know how Masure we Ibo Mandasa. Murume Mkura no Zora Ambi. For my political party, leave Chamisa alone. How old are you? You were in existence since 1980. Why are you getting from a political party? For my political party, you are Ibo Mandasa. An idiot. Chamisa is not going to leave. He's going nowhere. We want Chamisa. We like Chamisa. He's our leader. If you think you can do special, if you don't want Chamisa, don't vote for him. Form your own political party. You're an idiot. Coward. You cannot face the Sanupe when you're as Nam Soros. Soro Ningo Kamka. Neri data windy, Rotangaja Puticamino. No population in Masino. Remuro Monica Jibero Jiberi, Hopo Juno, Chano to Hopo Junis. Soro Nega Boagot. No, I'm boots you. I said, I'm going on them cats. For my political party. When it does what you want to walk to my Chamisa, I lead the opposition. For my political party. Tony and Ogate, Ugate, when in the what else is Nam Soro is Chamisa is going nowhere. He's our leader. Your former political party, I go to look at it when in no to Kumbo, take in a Nunziaga Marabama Moto. For my Ibo Mandasa, an idiot. Obo Jumon, you're very stupid. You're foolish. Chamisa and what through to that. Immigrant Maona, the Abitri, in the name of Fotogama Fotera. Norma Kuru, Machena Mashuro. What are we to go? Chamisa is trying. Everybody hates Chamisa. We will stand by Chamisa. Zanup is using everything. Banama resources essay to work against Chamisa. Imimichas, I mean, you are opposing on Chamisa. Now in a opposition on Ibo Mandasa.